How to delete Facebook account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can delete your Facebook account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you'd like to delete your Facebook account, all you have to do is just go to facebook.com and then make sure that you are signed into your account. And once you go to facebook.com and sign into your account, you can hit the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you hit the profile icon there, you'll find this options here that says settings and privacy. Once you go to settings and privacy, you can just go to the settings option. From settings, over here on the left hand side, go to Meta Account Center. Once you go to Meta Account Center, just go to personal details, and from here you can select account ownership and control. Make sure to select that, and here you can see deactivation or deletion. Select that option as well, and from here you'll see all the sorts of options where you can simply select your Facebook account and select the option called delete account, and from here you can just hit the continue option. And once you hit the continue option, you can just click on continue, and then you will be able to go ahead and then delete your Facebook account. This way you should be able to delete your Facebook account. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.